Morning, welcome to today's show. Today I'm going to show you how I build my bamboo fence. Everybody can build it different. This is how I did it. So let's get started. I've put some panels up already. You can see how they look. Then I'll put one panel in and show you. Everybody that's building the fence already knows how to put posts in. You dig a hole. I string a line 6 inches from where I want it to be. Then the string's not in the way when you dig your posts. These posts are in 3 feet because I wanted it, because it's going to catch a lot of wind. I wanted it to be strong. And let's look at it. Okay, there's my bamboo fence. Here's the back side. Put a 2x4 down just to give it some sort of dimension looking, that I didn't just put them all the same. There, I put the bottom one. This is how I did it here. I'll show you the process, but this 2x4 is just holding it in place now. And then I wired the top piece in. This comes on a wire. Wired the top piece in. We'll cut these wires off. Clamped it in place. I chalk lined all the way down the top and the bottom so that the screws are in the same place, and then I put a screw in every third or fourth piece of bamboo, so that if I ever had to do it again, I could put one in the middle here, and that would be even on both sides. You don't put the screws in too tight because they can expand and contract. But we'll go through. I'll show you how I did it. That's a good fence. It's going to be great. Alright, I cut my board right length. Measure down 7 inches. I put this one on. Then I level it. I just clamp one on there. Then it's the same. It's easy for one guy. I do the same at the bottom. I just bring it up a little bit. Use the same method on the bottom. That's what we do, and then we roll out bamboo. Okay, you can see I have my boards in. This bottom board here, I've leveled. And then we'll roll out the bamboo like that other one. Can you see down there? The other one's just sitting on that bamboo, holds it in place. There's my pile of bamboo. My little roll, 6-foot roll, 8-foot rolls, 6 feet high. I have 3/4 inch in diameter. Got them from the Bamboo Toronto store. They're shipped here to Manitoba. There's no one in Manitoba that has 6-foot bamboo. I might be the only one in Manitoba that has a bamboo fence. I don't know. They come in rolls like this with a wire through them. Let's open her up. Just put a board over all of them now. You just kick it along. I'll have to adjust this one. Well, it's pretty easy to put up. It takes a bit of time. Screw it against there. Now, I've got a chalk line going here. There, so it's marked even. Other screws. And we'll drill every 4th one, put a screw in. Down a little closer. Here we are. So I'm gonna move in this first one right here. There, just put one in. Not too tight, because it'll probably expand and contract. And if you put one up, you'll hear it popping and cracking all the time. It's moving, it's expanding and contracting all the time. Then I leave 3, and I put in another one right here in my chalk line. Like that. And so it goes. There, and then I'll do the bottom too. And we'll take all this stuff down. We'll make the chalk line keep going. And then it's gonna look like this when it's done. Alright, we're back. You can see we're all done here. My daughter helped me put up these lights. There, it took all day. You can see we have screws there, and then at the bottom I put 3 or 4 in between each screw. That's one way to put up a bamboo fence. So if you like what you're seeing, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Later.